What's good, Maktub fan? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm always preaching to you guys about why you should be investing in yourself. So today I want to talk to you guys about something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. And finally, I am at the step where I'm just going to take a leap of faith and I'm just going to dive right into it. So today I'm going to be starting classes for my real estate license. So this is going to be huge. I'm going to be getting a license in Illinois. This is going to be a piece that helps you jumpstart your career in real estate, especially if you want to be an investor. It's a perspective that I want to gain because when you get your real estate license, you're able to orchestrate deals to buy and sell properties. Also, just help people rent properties. So I want to be in the mix. I think having this license and just overall being in this space and using something to keep me accountable is going to actually help me enter the real estate game more. So this is very huge for me. I just wanted to share this. And I also wanted to let you guys know that you should always be pushing to invest in yourself whenever you can. It's always going to cost you, but it's that down payment in yourself. The same way you put a down payment on a house, if you put that down payment on yourself, you're going to see the rewards in the future. So as you can see here on my screen, I have it set up. I am going to be purchasing this course. It's 75 hours. In order to get your real estate license, you need 75 hours of approved lessons or classes or whatever the case may be. And then you end up taking an exam in your state and you then get a license. So this is it right here. I'm going to go ahead and purchase this. And I'm going to keep you all updated on my real estate journey on this channel here. We're always talking about how to invest and maximize who you are and what you do. We're going to be investors in the stock market, cryptocurrency, real estate, you name it. We're out there. Thank you all for supporting me throughout this. I'm super excited to be hopping on this journey. I will make sure to keep you all updated. I'll be sharing as many lessons as I can, tips, tricks, whatever the case may be, summaries of what I learned as well. I'm happy to share those if you all want to also get your real estate license. If you're watching this probably will help you out as well. So let's get it, fam. I'm excited, and I hope you all are excited to be on this journey with me too. Maktub fam, you know how we coming, you know how we doing this. This is our journey. It's our destiny. We're going to make it happen. All right, fam. I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.